Hey YouTube, how's everyone doing? Fish Taco here. Another beautiful cloudy day. Another video. So I'm on the Sandy River on March 6, 2024. Why am I here? Because yesterday on the Cowlitz River in Washington, we had a 5 hours smelt dipping opening in the afternoon on the Cowlitz River, but it was pretty much a bust. It was like nobody got anything. Almost like everybody went home empty bucket. And so I'm here to see if things are different on the Sandy River. There's a smelt, but it's dead. I want to see if it's running in the Sandy right now. So let's go check it out. So there's definitely signs of the fish has been here. I'm seeing dead smelt, but not a lot of them. There's another one right there. And then there's one right there. So this is where last year in late March on the Sandy River, this is where I catch most of my smelt under the bridge, under the I-84 bridge. Slow. Ah, look at that, woohoo! And right now I don't see anything. I only see some dead fish, but I haven't seen anything swimming. Oh, I see them. Oh, I see 3. Oh, actually 4, 5. Yeah, they're right here. Okay, there's more. Let's go check upstream. Oh look, they're right there. 你看他们坐这里. Oh, this is the main body. Oh, okay, so they are here. Oh. Wow. Oh, here they're really close to the shore. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. These guys are here. They're definitely here. Look, they're trying to swim up. You can like pick them up with your hand right there. They try to swim up the little shallow. All right, let's go check out this spot right here. This is also another spot that was really popular with dipping the fish. This is where it gets narrow and shallow. The fish actually gets stuck in some of those little drift pools. And basically, you don't even need a net. You just like hand scoop them up into the bucket. Look at the fish. Oh my goodness. They are here. Oh wow, holy crap. They're swimming backwards, like in a circle. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's insane. And actually I was here on February 27, just about a week ago. And at the exact same spot here, and there was like nothing. So it's like today, things are different. So they're here. They are not, this is not the tail end of it. I think this is the main body. All right, so the smelt is definitely in the Sandy River as of March 6th. But when I talked to the Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife people yesterday in Longview, they were saying that Oregon is not opening because the juvenile salmon are actually coming down upstream, going to the ocean, and they're sort of colliding with the smelt. And when that happens, the salmon is going to have the priority, and they basically will shut down the smelt for salmon to safely get through this section of the river. So last year, Sandy opened like for the first time for like over 10 years because it was late. It was like March 30th. So it's like late March. And maybe that was the reason, is that because the juvenile salmon's already made it through, so that's why they opened it. So whether Oregon's gonna open this year on a Sandy for smelt, I would hope so, but right now it's pretty much unlikely. Seems like this is like the bulk of the main body is already coming through, making the way through. And if they're gonna make announcement, it's gonna be at least 5 days out. If they make it today, it'll be 5 or 6 days out. So I think it might be over this year. So hopefully not, but I'm not too hopeful about it. So maybe next year. I didn't get much yesterday. I didn't make any videos. And on the earlier opening in February, I didn't make a video either. I got just under limit. It was hard. It was not that many. So hopefully next year. So until next time or next year, take care. Bye.